ध्यानं वन्दे पद्मकरां प्रसन्नवदनां सौभाग्यदां भाग्यदां हस्ताभ्यामभयप्रदां मणिगणैर्नानाविधैर्भूषितां भक्ताभीष्टफलप्रदां हरिहरब्रह्मादिभिः सेवितां पार्श्वे पङ्कजशङ्खपद्मनिधिभिर्युक्तां सदा शक्तिभिः। ध्यानम धास महाप्रणः वंदे पद्मकराम is a compound word, प्रसन्नवदनाम is a compound word, सौभाग्यदाम is a compound word, भास महाप्रणः भाग्यदाम भास महाप्रणः this is also a compound word, हस्ताभ्याम भा महाप्रणः अभयप्रदाम is a compound word, भास महाप्रणः मणिगणैः is a compound word. Visarga changes to repha. Nanavidhaihi is a compound word. Dhas mahapranah. Maniganair nanavidhaihi because of sandhi. Visarga changes to repha again. Bhushitam bhas mahapranah. Nanavidhair bhushitam because of sandhi. Bhakta abhishta. Bhakta abhishta phalapradam is a compound word. Both bhas and pha are mahapranah. Phalapha. Harihara Brahma Adibhihi. Harihara Brahmadibhihi is a compound word. The last bha is Mahapranaha. Visarga changes to so that Sevitam. Harihara Brahmadibhis Sevitam because of Sandhi. Parshve Pankaja Shankha Padma Nidhibihi. Pankaja Shankha Padma Nidhibihi is a compound word. Nidhibihi, the dha and bha are Mahapranaha. Shankha kha is Mahapranaha. Visarga changes to repha, yuktam. Pankaja shankha padma nidhibhir yuktam because of sandhi. Sada shaktibhihi bhas mahapranah. Dhyanam vande padmakaram prasannavadanam saubhagyadam bhagyadam hastabhyam abhayapradam maniganair nanavidhairbhushitam भक्ताभीष्टफलप्रदां हरिहरब्रह्मादिभिः सेवितां पार्श्वे पङ्कजशङ्खपद्मनिधिभिर्युक्तां सदा शक्तिभिः। सरसिजनयने सरोजहस्ते धवलतरांशुक गन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरि Prasida Mahyam. Sarasija Nayane is a compound word. Saroja Haste is a compound word. Dhavalatara Amshuka. Dhavalataramshuka. Dhas Mahapranaha. Gandhamalya. Dhas Mahapranaha. Shobhe. Bhas Mahapranaha. Dhavalataramshuka Gandhamalya Shobhe is a compound word. Bhagavati, bhas mahapranah, the E in the end is short because it is in Sambodhana, it is a direct address to the goddess. Harivallabhe is a compound word, bhas mahapranah. Manognye is a compound word. Tribhuvana bhutikari is a compound word, both bhasa mahapranah and the E in the end is short. Prasida mahyam. Sarasijanayane sarojahaste धवलतरांशुकगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरिप्रसीदमह्यम्। प्रकृतिं विकृतिं विद्यां सर्वभूतहितप्रदां श्रद्धां विभूतिं सुरभिन्नमामि परमात्मिकां। प्रकृतिं विकृतिं. Prakritim ends in Anuswara followed by Va. So it becomes Prakritim Vikritim. The Anuswara changes to the nasal of Va. Vikritim Vidyam. Vikritim again ends in Anuswara followed by Va. So it becomes Vikritim Vidyam. Sarva Bhuta Hita Pradam is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranah. Shraddham. Second Dhas Mahapranah. Vibhutim. Dhas Mahapranah. Shraddham ends in Anuswara followed by Va. So it becomes Shraddham Vibhutim. Surabhim, Bha is Mahapranah. namami. Surabhim ends in anuswara followed by na, so it becomes surabhin namami. Anuswara changes to na. Parama atmikam. Paramatmikam is a compound word. Om Prakritim Vikritim Vidyam Sarvabhutahitapradam Shraddham Vibhutim Surabhin Namami Paramatmikam.